This is Redmi Note 11 Pro, and in today's video I would like to demonstrate that you can check and make sure that your device is original. So to start off, I have to note that, it is a common issue, or rather the perk, just thing to keep in mind is that the Xiaomi and Redmi devices may show different serial numbers. If you go into the settings, about phone, and check the device specs. So where is it? Status, and then model. So this serial number is not really what you should be looking for, because it indeed differs from the sticker at the phone or the SN we have at the packaging. But if you see that, do not be afraid. As I've already mentioned, that's the thing that's common for Xiaomi devices or whatever. So in order to check the true serial number that this device has, you gotta dial the secret code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, it provides us with some device information, and here is the serial number, which now we can compare to the one that our packaging has. So it's 38075 and then some 1998, right? K2Y 9098. Yep, it matches perfectly. So let me get my packaging in focus. So as you can see, yep, those are a match. And at this point you're more or less golden to know that you are indeed an owner of the original Redmi Note 11 Pro, or any other Redmi device more or less. But in order to be 1,000,000% sure, you can also check the serial number that is printed to the sticker that you have at the back of your phone, if you still have it, of course. If the phone is brand new and you haven't gotten a chance to knock it off. So as you can see, yep, that's the same serial number that we had at the phone and in the phone and at the packaging. Alrighty, so that will be more or less it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.